about the first column, this code that you have written. So after that, you just create a one. Again, same thing for here. You have created a row count, right?
Yeah.
So now we will create for column. Okay, this
Yes.
code I'm just making it. Okay, this code is for row. Now
Okay.
we will create a one more same integer column code
Column. Equal
equal
to
to sheet
sheet
one
one.
get.
Okay. Last
So
column now.
yeah, so there is a method called get physical value of value of cells. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that is also is there, or column also you can use. There are many there. Get physical. You just type it, you'll get. See here, physical number of
Physical
rows are
number
there,
of rows. Okay.
but we don't need a rows. Now we need a cells. So
Yes.
column. So write as a physical number of cells. Okay. Now let's see whether it is showing physical row.
S, I think cells. It's coming as rows, so it has. We have to add S, I think.
Yeah. So it's, okay, now we'll close and we'll see where it
Yeah.
get physical number of rows. Uh, but where these columns are present, right? So in sheet, if you open that sheet, so
Yeah.
where is
Here.
the sheet? So here we'll miss one logic. So columns are present under rows, right? So this is a
Yes.
column. So these are rows. So for that, what we have to map is instead of sheet one, we have to map as a here. Okay. So here, because columns are present under row.
Yeah.
Okay. So now here, for this, what you have to do is sheet one row count, then so now the error is gone, right?
Hmm. But I think
So
rows. I think rows. Can you add S?
no, no. For this, we have to create a one more for row one. We have to create a object here because
Mm-hmm.
where is your accessor rows? One second, I'm just checking it. Okay, so here we have created row and please question the last number row system print row code for this row and we have given data 0. Okay, so this, so the is continues on the enterprise string. Okay. Okay, so now we will write a XSF method for not method access f is a class in Apache POI. Okay, XSF cell. Okay, so cell equal to null. Okay, just mentioning defining that this method. Okay, so now I will import that. Okay,
Yeah.
Apache.
Import that.
Okay, so this is a class. Okay, so now we will see whether it is okay. So it is still showing. String. Okay, so inside that cell equal to row get of that. So now we will be finding it here. Okay, so here mention I.
Isn't it row dot get cell?
So for that we have to create a this one, right? So reference.
Dot get cell.
Yeah, yeah. For that only. So now here string equal to column name and string get physical value. And from for that only I'm
Here,
just
yeah, you have wrong type cells. Instead of C, it's
Cell is equal to row dot get to cell. You wrote get L.
get
yeah,
L,
yeah, yeah.
get L. Sorry, get L. Yeah,
It's not working also.
No, 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 no. We will check 1 second. Okay. So here
create a local.
I'm just go. Mhm. So 1 second, I'm just making it. Uh, Here integer row equal to sheet one, you will get the row number and you will print it. That is fine. So now we have used a for loop for getting all the rows. Okay. So and you are getting the string value and rows. Okay. So now you are printing that row. Okay. So till that it is fine. Okay. So now what you have to do is we have to create a same thing for what? Rows. Sorry, not rows, column.
Column.
Okay. So now let's see. I think for loop we have to do it. Okay. So here, so we will print all, not only rows. We will print column as well. So here till for integer no. So x and x
Access output.
row equal to one dot get row. So now
If is typed wrongly, the small f, yeah, yeah.
access. uh, Okay.
Mm,
So now we will write as a integer. So now column count.
mm. Is equal to sheet one.
But here, so columns are present under rows. So we have to map that row. Okay, row dot get physical number of cells. So that method we are using. Physical
Get physical.
number of cells. Okay. Okay. So now this error is coming. Okay.
Double P. Double N also do.
Okay. Okay. So now we'll this while we get row of one. Why we getting zero? Should not be there. Okay, so let it be. So now we have created a cell, and for this we have to create a same for loop. How we have created for this one. So now we have to create a for loop for column. Okay, so this we have to take it. This entire loop we are creating, so it will get all the uh, columns. Okay.
Okay.
So J, it is the second one, and J plus. Okay. So now we have created. Now we will see where what is that. So we have to create a again for that, like how we have created uh, XSF rows, right? So now we have created XSF cell. Okay. So whole cell data we have to print. Okay. So now we have to give a row dot get cell of j. Right. So here we have to print j. Yeah. Because okay, so it's is missing XSF. So
D is like double D.
nothing. This is just reference. It
Just
doesn't
a
matter.
way, yeah.
Ah, so now why income changes? It is well. It should have shown that axis of cell. Why it is not showing here? In your, the class should be there. Then we will print system.out. Plus what? Plus what we have to mention here? Cell. Okay, which one? We have created row. Right? So column count. Get physical. So cell data. So this one we are referring. Okay. Because already given here close. Okay. Okay. So now we will close it. Okay. So now we are getting only one error, and why it is getting here? Right, right. And this is the same class. Excel data is already defined. Well, okay. So now I think you have made copy. So oh, this is all here. So you should have done inside only. These important all you should have done here. It is showing like this. Okay, I will do whatever code we have written. I will put in class. Where it gone? Which are we have? Okay, so here we have created. Okay.
Yeah, this is the one.
So here we have to create
You
a
can
class.
see on the dashboard.
Uh, yeah. So let me just see. And I will close all actually. So what you have to do, just click right click here.
Hmm.
Okay, close all that. So
Okay.
whatever. Okay, so I just copy all these. Okay. Why it is showing like this? Okay, maybe one is missing.
Maybe. Yeah. Year back. Yeah.
Now it is one and okay, so cell data. What is valid created in excess of
Import.
excess of cell one. Okay, so now we have to import this. Okay, now I got go on. So what we are doing, okay, and while system.print C should also data is correct only, so and here also showing here. Something is wrong. Okay, it should not show error actually. Access of cell XSF cell data row dot drive cell of J. That is correct only. Why error is coming here? Mm, mention. Because already we have the same name on there, so I'm just creating a different this assigning this. So let's run this. Why we are getting error? It's not showing error as well, right? So why
I don't know.
refresh?
So before it was showing.
Okay, there's something is usually here. Everything we have fixed. So here we are getting error. You should not so this successive cell should have I think some jar file is not supporting. Okay, for column
Change to cell.
it is already there, right? So see here, access of cell.
Yeah.
It's showing an error here. Yes, yes, yeah. Please correct only in cell column data. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Meanwhile, you can stop sharing your screen. Okay.
Sorry?
You can stop sharing your screen.
Yeah, one second.
Okay, for that error, what you have to do, you have to download a jar file again, Apache PY. For what you download column, so read the column.
Oh, jar download.
Uh, so here, if you column Excel files, right? So might be that it is not working. Okay, so it should work, or you can close and reopen later or restart. Okay, if not, you have to download that. Jar file or Excel. Okay, if you
Okay.
do that, so here, so whatever this line is row count, it will get the
Mm.
physical number of rows. For I equal to this is the row, and we have created integer cell get physical number of cell. For j, then access of cell. It is not showing any error here. Okay, so if you run it, you will get all the like how it is printed earlier, right? So same thing, like
Okay.
along with username and password also, it will print it. Okay, I will show here. So it is just printing of second column, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is the earlier it was only printing this one. Now it should print this one as well. So
Mm.
same thing. Whatever data you have. Okay. So that is about. Yeah. And okay, so that is how you can do. And if you want to read only two rows or particular rows, right? So you have to mention which row. Row number one. What is your row number one value? This is
Okay.
first is 0, here 1, right? So username 2, right? So you want to print only that, then you have to print that value you have to give here. Get row number, then it will print only uh, row number 1 data. So this one I have already given in, see here, username 1 and username 2. So 1 is I have given here already, right? So here is printing first row, so I will not print this one. You want to print only this, then you have to run only this. Okay. So this is also has given. Okay. So still it is taken. Okay. So here get 0 first, so first row. What is username 1? Okay. Add the 0. So then we have a row number 1. We have username 2. Okay. That will print it. Same thing. Okay. So what we have done here, we just use the sheet. What is your sheet 1? Is our Excel sheet. Then
Mm.
get the row of 1 and get the cell from that row and column and get the string value. Okay, because our data is stored in I mean what you call character, right? So we are storing this is in string. Okay, so data one equal, for that we have mapped it, and this data one is our, it will get all the rows, I mean data inside that cell, then we are printing it. So after that we will close it. So and same thing only here. If row is at sheet 2, so row number 2, you just need to change only index value.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now it took, instead of user number 2, it has taken user number 3 and password 3, right? Because we are at row number 2. Row number 2, what is the data we have? So here we have username 3 and password 3. Okay, that is what it has printed. Okay, so for that nothing. So same thing, you set the file name path. Then to read that file, you have to download the file input string class from the Java. So then you have to create a XSF by using XSF workbook class. You have to create a object to read it, right? So what type of, because we are using XLSX, right? So from that sheet we will getting the first access, first tab access. For that again you have to use it XSF sheet class in Apache form, right? So you have to download and you have to get the sheet of this one. So then you have to, which one you are targeting? You are targeting row two, right? Sheet one. From this sheet one, you are targeting row two, right? So for that you have a method get row of two. Okay. So for the column, same thing you write it for this is for row and this is for column, right? This is first column. Okay. So then you create a again column dot get the string value, right? Whatever present under column, so that will print. Okay. So same thing, this will print again column and here rows. Okay. So both whatever present here, this is the first row, this is the second row, right? So this is username is in the first column, your password is in second column, right? So for that we have created. Okay. So then it will print it. Okay. So that is about reading the Excel sheet. And Padma, you downloaded Office 365 uh, like Excel sheet. Are you
Yeah.
able to?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So did you get time to run any scripts or?
Yes. Yes. I did. I did. The
Okay.
one you shared, I run and it is working.
Okay. Good then. So now we are at model 10, which is test engine framework. Okay. So this is the last one. So our automation class. So we will discuss on this test engine, very very important. Okay. So we will understand why we are not using WebDriver. Okay. What is the limitation? So
This is the
and why?
last module.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So here, like how will run the test case on priority? How will run the test case on how to take like generate the report, right? So we are talking about a report, right? How it will run and how will run the group of test cases at a time, right? So all these we will be discussing here, and this framework will give a lot of options for us to play around the test cases. Okay. So let's understand this because test NG stand for next generation. Okay, this is very important. Most of the time you will heard of this framework. Okay, if you know the like whatever we have studied now is like Selenium WebDriver. It is a basic, right? So we can automate in different ways, and by using test NG framework, it will give a few more options for us to run it. How exactly we will understand. Okay. So and different annotations are there. Okay, so we'll understand what is annotations, how to use them in Selenium. Okay, how to integrate with different reports. Okay, and how to achieve parallel execution, everything. Okay, so for that first we have to configure test engine. So first step is what you have to do, you open that Eclipse and go to help, and you will see that marketplace. Can you do it with me? Okay, first we will create a one project test ng Java project. So you just mention test ng.
Okay.
Okay, test ng framework. Okay, you can give any name and say anything and just finish it. Okay, under this you will go to SRC to
NG.
create a one. Yeah, package you create. Just give anything.
Package test ng
Like,
framework.
yeah. Okay, and Padma, you created same folder.
Sorry. I create test ng
You create a
a project. Yeah, I'm creating.
So what we are going to do here, we are
Destiny
setting up
framework under the project,
this,
right?
yeah, Java project.
Yes, yes. And then we have to,
You just click on you created package
yes,
automation demo or anything or
yes.
not. Okay. So now go to help.
Okay.
Under
Um,
that Eclipse
Eclipse.
Marketplace,
1 second. Yeah.
if you click it, what you are getting?
Progress information. It's yeah.
Okay.
Eclipse Marketplace window open.
Okay, like this.
Uh, uh, yes.
And Padma, for you also same window, or you at same thing, same place?
I already have TestNG. I installed.
Oh, you're far,
Yeah.
you're
So
forward than much. Okay,
uh,
so not to worry. Just search it, test ng. Okay. So now we have to click and install.
okay.
So it may take some few more if you click on install. Okay, and I'll tell you. So it will show installation. You have to click and confirm actually. So like that, it will show like TestNG for Eclipse and Maven integration. Okay, so both it will get installed. Okay, so then if you're getting any pop-up or anything, just click on accept license
I'm not
agreement.
getting for Eclipse test ng for Eclipse.
No, share your screen.
Um,
Let's see what is happening.
yeah, it's coming. Eat rice or something.
No, no, no. You just search, remove all the text. You just type as a test ng,
Yeah.
the search box. Click on that. Click just click on test ng. So now click and hit enter button from your keyboard. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And this in
Yeah.
this.
Yes. Yes. Install. Okay. So it will take some time to get it downloaded. Okay. Just wait a few seconds. Okay.
Okay.
So because it will download all the libraries and everything, right? So
Okay.
for that,
Shivanand,
yes, Puna.
tomorrow, is it okay for you if you take class a little 1 hour earlier? 12:30?
Yeah, fine, fine. Yeah.
Yeah. So instead of 1:30, 12:30. For
Okay,
us,
sure.
it's 6. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
So it was downloaded and it says confirm. Can I confirm?
but one second. Let me see. Where are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, click and confirm. Okay, it is just still loading it. Just
Here.
wait.
Accept terms and conditions.
Yeah, click on accept. Yeah, finish.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you can see at the
Yes.
footer, you'll see installing the software. No, 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 not there. Here,
Okay.
at exactly footer, where you use your battery icon.
Here.
Battery icon.
Mm.
Exactly. It is still. Just click on it. It will show the progress. Now it is 16%, right? So
Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's still
just
installing.
yeah, double click on it, so it will show one window. So it is just getting ready. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So because we have to install the jar files, okay, for this as well.
For this, the previous one to run the program, you said to download something. Can you tell me again? I missed that one.
For column,
Yeah.
uh okay. So let me share my until don't disturb that. So
Yeah.
it will take some time. Okay.
Just tell me. I will note it down.
Yeah, sure.
Trust authorities window is open now here.
What it shown?
It's some testng.org. It's there is a window trust authorities. We need to select all or something like that. Can you see my screen?
Yeah. Yes, yes. You select all and trusted. If you are getting any pop-up, select all and trust. Select trusted.
Yes, accept the
No,
risk.
no, no, no. Close it. Close it.
Yeah.
Click trust selected at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. At the bottom, you have to select. Okay. So now it will ask you to restart
Okay.
after this. One more window, I think you will get it.
Oh yeah. Here also select all.
Again, yeah. Select all and trust selected button. Down. Yeah. Click. Because it is getting downloaded all the jars. Okay. So
Okay.
now um,
Restart now.
yes. Click OK. Hey Rajita, how are you? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹಾ 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 ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿರ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ನಂದು DNB ಅಂತ ಡನ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಸ್ಟೀಟು US ಕ್ಲೈಂಟು. ಸೇಮ್ ಫ್ಲೋ. ಹಾಂ ಹೌದೌದು, ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾಧವಿ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಾಧವಿ KV ಅಂತ. ಸೇಮ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಮೈಸೂರು, ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದ್, ಚೆನ್ನೈ, ಕೊಚ್ಚಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ KT ಇದು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇನ್ನು. ಹಾಂ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಹ್ಞೂ. ಅದೇ. ಹೌದೌದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾರ್ಮಲೈಸ್ ಆಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬೀಸಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ. ಹಾಂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ನು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಅಕೌಂಟು, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಹ್ಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ETL ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಆಟೋಮೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ETL ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸು. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಸೈಟೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಏನು ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಹ್ಞೂ. ಹಾಂ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ GCP ಅಂತಿದೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ಅಜೂರ್ ಅಂತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ವೈಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ AWS ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹ್ಞೂ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು. ಹೌದು, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಈಸಿ, ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಇದು. ಈಸಿ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಯು ಎನಿ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. 3 o'clock ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ ಅದು. ಹ್ಞೂ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ 3 o'clock ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ. Sorry, I was getting call. So, Padma, can you show us like how we'll see whether SNG is configured? Do you know how the option you can check it?
Can I stop sharing or you want to see her?
I can stop sharing the screen.
Yeah.
So there is a way to configure, like to check whether the what do you call it is done, right? You have restarted everything.
Yeah, it's done. We started and it's opened again with
Hmm.
clear testing.
Yeah. Can you stop sharing your screen? I will show you one more way you can. Where you can see is Just go to the Windows. Okay, so here Windows. Okay,
Hmm.
there is an option called Show View, and just click on here. So here you will see the test ng. Okay, that it has to come. Okay, so like how it was showing Maven project, right? So like that it has to show. Or what you have to do, you have to configure build path, right? So just go here, configure build path. Okay, just go to library, add the library. Okay, so
Hmm.
here you will see that test ng, right? So this one we have to add.
Okay.
Can you do it now, Prashanti? Go
Yeah, I will
to
do.
build and click on library, add library. So then you'll see test ng.
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay, like this it has to come.
That is 10G. Next.
Okay, apply and close. Okay, so now you can see this folder is created. Everything is coming here, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so this is how it has to come. If you are creating here,
1 second.
then you have
I'll just
to.
check it.
Uh,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
coming like that, same as it.
Okay, so then you can filter and now it is here. Okay, so everything. So okay, adding jar file to Selenium test engine. Again, we have to set first step. You have to go to API file to jar project. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now we are here. Add external jars.
Hmm.
Okay, so then we have to go to Maven repository. Okay, can you type here Maven repository because we have to add the library Maven repository
Maven
for
repository.
test engine. Okay, so okay, so now we will see the test engine. Whatever latest you have, you can download it. Version 7.9 is there because we have to add the libraries. Okay, so now I
Maven
will just
repos.
click on it here.
Sorry, which one we need
Huh.
to add?
In Maven, did you type as a Maven repository
Yes,
test
yes,
engine
yes.
like this?
Yeah, testing.
Okay,
Okay.
just click on the first link. You'll see this.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, one.
so now you will see exactly at the latest version.
Okay.
Okay, so now you have to download that one. Okay, here just 7.9.0.
Mm-hmm.
Here dependencies are there. So I have given here. Now let's click on there only. Let's see.
In Maven repository, when we search for testng, we'll get the latest one with the date. If go back,
Releases are there. Version 3 there.
yeah, the 7.9 version. Yeah.
Okay. Ah, but we clicking on here, we are just clicking again here and we don't see any
So
download.
we need to copy this dependencies, I think.
You create a form diet XML. No,
No, we did not.
we are adding the jar, we are adding the jar files.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
okay.
adding the jar
Okay, okay,
files.
okay.
So for this, let me see whether how to do it. In fact,
I opened this TestNG 7.9.0. After that,
It should have been asked. Okay, 1 second. I will check it. Okay, add external jars. Clicking on it, you need to perform a selection and from the Maven repository. So here earlier it used to download. Okay, when you click on 7 point that file, it used to download all this. Okay, client
okay.
bat. Okay, combined. Okay, let's see. No, it has not. Mm, we'll check in Google only. 1 second. Download jar files for testing. Let's see. Okay, here it is there. Okay, again, it is taking me here, but we are not allowing to download. Let's see. And paste because all these is okay. Then it should be- they have given here. Let's see. Different annotations are there. It should have been asked to when you click on it. It should have been downloaded, but it is showing dependency rather than jar files. But we need the jar files here. Let's see jar is here. We was okay. Let's see what are those client combined. Is not there. Mm, so it will create a reference library for us to use the annotations, right? So here it is not showing jar files. Okay. For that, adding jar files, why it is not showing here additional jars? And I'm repository, and we click in here, and it will get download. Right. So let me research again. Download SMG jar files for Eclipse. Okay. See. This is 6.8. Okay. No, it is not. But minimum repository is not supported. Okay. Okay. So how do I test engine deploy the control latest? Okay, this is not okay. So it is. Let's see what these guys are given here. Given repository. They have given right. So download it from main repository. Then you have to search test ng. So then you see all these. Then you click on 7.4 test ng and jars. Okay, here under file we will see that. Okay, so test ng. Okay, just click on here. Okay, now we will select latest one 7.9.0. Here jar is there, right? Just click on here
Okay.
under jar.
Yeah.
Okay, it is just got downloaded. Okay, so test ng jar is there, and click on form as well. The form is It's,
I clicked on jar, but nothing is there coming up.
no, it will download like this. TestNG jar 7.9.0.
1 second. This page will come.
Share your screen.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, this one.
There you'll see jar, right? So jar 1 MB. Yeah, just click on JAR.
Yeah, I
Just
clicked
click on it.
on that. Okay, here it's downloading.
Yeah, it is getting downloaded. Okay, and the same thing form
I've
also.
done both times. Maybe.
No worries, no worries. Okay,
Okay.
so then
So it
you can you can add it to your this one. What do you call project? Okay,
yeah. One
so
second.
then download.
Downloads. Okay, here this one we have to add it to the TestNG project, right?
Yeah. Okay, so that library you can just add it, add the XML files and just okay. So now you will see a reference library under TestNG build path, configure build path, add just
Where is
build
it?
path. Yeah, configure build path.
Add
Add
jars.
yeah,
Mm,
downloads TestNG. Yeah, select okay. Now apply and close. Open,
yeah, I'm
open,
open. Yeah.
apply and close. You'll see a reference library created.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
So now we have configured TestNG. So from tomorrow onwards, we will write a TestNG how to use that and different annotations, right, for different purposes, right?
Yeah.
How to automate and how to generate the report, right? How to execute only failed test case, right? And how to convert the class to TestNG
Okay.
and how to run only like priority test case, how to run in group test case. Let's say you have 10 test case, how to run like out of 10 only regression and sanity are there, how to combine them, how to run only what you call only regression test case by using form.xml file. Okay, so that
Mm.
is it. So we'll start tomorrow. Okay, so that is one. Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah.
so yeah, and also we have okay dependency test case like parameter is there. So how to use that as well by using TestNG annotations. Okay, uh, there are many things are there to use TestNG
Mm-hmm.
and like how to edit it in form.xml file. Like you have to create a Maven project. In that you have to use like like how we have a form.xml. So in that here we have a TestNG XML file. Okay, so there we have to add the dependency from Maven repository. So to use the different like purposes. Okay, so what are purposes? Nothing but you have to use it different dependencies, priority, and we have a how to run say one test case multiple times. Like let's say we have written one test case, how to run 10 times. You have to use a invocation count equal to 10. So there are
Okay.
many methods are there to use it. Okay, let's use those and okay, so let's see from tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. So tomorrow
Okay.
class it's 12:30.
Yeah, sorry, yeah, exactly.
One
Okay,
hour
12:30,
before.
1 hour before. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay then. Bye bye.
Thank you.